What's up? It's your boy Tay Dames coming at you with another unboxing. Next up, we got the iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite, the 6.1-inch model. Also, we have the iPhone 12 MagSafe clear case from Apple. As you can see here, getting to the actual packaging, Apple was keeping their promise of trying to be more eco-friendly and reducing the waste in the environment. But we all know really they're just trying to increase their profits while giving us less. It's pretty obvious, but whatever. And as you can see here, that beautiful iPhone 12 Pro in graphite. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure with like previous iPhone packaging, the iPhone will be encased in like a more complete plastic covering and not just this thin sheet of paper on the screen. I guess this is also them playing into trying to be more eco-friendly and efficient, I guess, but we'll see if this trend continues with other devices moving forward, maybe iPads or something like that. Also to be noted, in the keynote they mentioned the screen having a ceramic coating. It's supposed to help with scratches and dropping your phone and possibly shattering it. But moving on, as you can see here, you got your SIM ejector. I bought this phone directly from Apple, so it did come with a 5G SIM from Verizon. That's my carrier. As you see here, we got the Lightning USB-C. I really wish they would have went just completely with the USB-C. I'm guessing that's just another way to fork a little bit of extra profit out of us buying adapters and whatnot. But it's all good. And here we have the MagSafe clear case directly from Apple. Honestly, the only reason I got this case is because I wanted that MagSafe / Apple Watch charger that should be coming out maybe in December. They don't have a set date on it, but I'll be looking out for that. But the case fits fine. It was kind of a struggle getting it in. Those commercials are not what they seem. Also, it's kind of slippery. Doesn't have any type of texture on it, so it could easily, like fall out your purse, slip out your pocket or whatever. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about possibly getting this case also. Now for me, I'm coming from the iPhone X, the very first one, so this is a pretty good jump for me. If I had the 11 or 11 Pro, I probably wouldn't have upgraded because there's not really much new with this phone other than the 5G. But as you can see here, you're able to toggle it on or off or switch between that and LTE. I chose LTE because, as we all know, 5G kills the battery, and so until they drop an update or something to make that more efficient, I'll just be sticking with LTE. After having the case for about a few days, I just wanted to show you these little kind of micro fractures within the case from putting it in. So if you're someone who switches out cases a lot, you might want to look at getting another case because this case is not durable. Now here's the phone in natural light. They did a really great job with this phone. I definitely prefer that iPhone 4/5 look with those sharp edges. The rounded edges was not really working for me. I didn't like those type of designs at all. Hopefully they stick with this moving forward and not go back unless they got something better in mind. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're a gamer, please check out my other channel, Tay Dames, and I'll see you in my next video.